Hello engineers and welcome back to Civil Nirman. Today I've got a game changer for all you STAAD users out there. See, we usually get our member forces either in the table form or by double clicking on the particular member after we run the analysis. But what if I told you that you can actually get forces at intermediate sections along a member's length right in the STAAD output? Yes, you heard that right. So don't skip any part of this video because I am going to show you how to do that just using a specific command. So introducing the print member section forces command. So this command allows you to print shear and bending moments at the intermediate section of a particular member. But see, here is the trick. You need to specify those intermediate sections first using the section command before you use the print section forces command. So what does the section command do? See, it tells STAAD the exact points along the length of the member in terms of fractional lengths where you want the forces and moments to be calculated, right? Then the print section forces command will print those forces in the neat and tabulated form in your STAAD output with all the specific load cases and the member details. So let's check this out in the STAAD model.
So let's understand this through a simple example. So I have one frame over here, as you can see, and I have implemented few forces over here, right? Now let's say you want to print the section forces at one particular, say 1 meter, 2 meter and 3 meter along a 4 meter long beam. So let's choose this particular member number 2, that is beam number 2. All right, so here is you would write the command. So let's check out in the editor portions for this particular member, which is a 4 meter length. I'll go to the editor part. Now in the after perform analysis segment, I will write down the command. Let's say section, then 0.25, 0.5, 0.75 member, let me make it capital, member 2, print member section forces list 2. So 2 is basically my member number, right? I have entered this command after the perform analysis and before the parameter. I'll close this. Now let's run the analysis to check. So I'll run the analysis now. See, in this case the section 0.25, 0.5 and 0.75 tells STAAD to consider the section at 1 meter, 2 meter and 3 meter, which are 25%, 50% and 75% of the total length of 4 meter beam respectively. So basically the print member section forces command then prints out the shear and bending moment at this particular section. See, we have run the analysis right now. Let's see, here you can check out that member section forces over here. See,
and there you have it. Your section forces are now printed right in the STAAD output in clear and tabulated form. See, this little trick can be a huge time saver when you need detailed information along the length of the member. So next time when you are working on a project, don't forget to use this command. Now if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more STAAD tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, don't just learn software, learn concepts. Thank you.